say what? How do I say the conditions for integrative therapy? How do I say condition? Come on, give me the answer. The first one. Nice. Empathy. And another one. Now, Roger with the point that those three things, empathy, unconditional positive regard, and genuineness, are not skills, but attributes of the person who. So therefore, to a good humanistic existential therapist, you learn to cultivate, right? Cultivate the qualities in you, like the Gordon, right? Okay, the qualities, when you meet him, you know it, right? If you say anything, the logic, you know what's being effective. When people walk in the room, take a sense that quality in him. You know, so that is therapeutic. The therapist is the therapist. The messenger is the message. So you have the quality Roger described. When people see you, when I see you, I really feel healed. So that's all present. That is part of the authentic relationship. You want authentic presence, right? To reveal, not put on a white coat of presence. Right? So that is what the key, the two pillars of mental therapy is that you have to know how people to make full use of the capacity of meaning-making. Right? This is the most powerful capacity in people. It's most powerful. It can transform every negative into positive. You can imagine heaven. You can imagine hell. You anticipate what people is like. And what to be trained. So that capacity needs to be tapped and developed and harnessed and utilized to get a person to recover and grow. So this is and all the relationships. How care of therapy with relationship. All we need is therapy is relationship. All you have to meaning. With these two, you can lose. Can't lose. I guarantee you it will work. Or money back guarantee. I guarantee it will work. In a relationship, we have people to have a better understanding of themselves, of the world, and have a better goal. It has to work. It has to work. Any questions about? We agree with that. But so far, thank you.
Excuse me. I have a question.
Yes.
Back to the previous slide, if possible. In the previous slide in your PowerPoint, the capacity for meaning making and relating. Going back to logotherapy as Viktor Frankl, as like the standard, the previous one, he says the therapist should be careful about helping the client to find the meaning instead of embedding the meaning in the mind of the client, or instead of fabricating or making the meaning. I'm just confused. Does it mean that he should do something to search and find the meaning so that the therapy offers?
Let me translate for you, okay? What you're trying to say is the important one, okay? Everybody has capacity to find meaning, okay? Our job is to facilitate and empower them to do so. We don't give them an answer, right? We don't say, the meaning of life is this, okay? Or your life should be this goal should be your life goal, okay? We do that. But we empower them, make them believe, aware, and they have the capacity. That's our job, okay? Okay, now, logotherapy, mental therapy basically evolved from logotherapy and cognitive therapy. I actually wrote an article, which was a freebie, really love it. I mean, actually, think about that. The music therapy has two big components. One is cognitive component, the other one is the extended component. Right? So both contribute, will surely build up, both contribute importantly to mental health. So when studies belong to the third wave of self-therapy, the third wave means it's more integrative of products, right? The more acceptance, commitment, self-transcendence, and unity. Logotherapy to translate that is what means therapy through meaning, which is same as mental therapy. Right? So in a way, logotherapy and mental therapy are the same. The only difference is that mental therapy is intentionally integrated. And some logotherapy focus primarily say that all in the pure, you should not meddle around with frantic idea. As I build upon I go beyond frantic agency. But some people like that, some people don't. But I think that logotherapy, if it doesn't change, doesn't evolve, it can go forward. Okay? So the one that I'm carrying logotherapy to the next step based on current research in other technology in that area.